Hello everyone, today we will discuss how we can convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions and the improper fractions into mixed fractions. So the word vice versa means how you can convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So before that you should have the concept regarding the mixed fractions, that what is mixed fraction and what is improper fraction. So I'll give you a very short intro of the mixed fraction so that you can have the idea what it is actually. So the mixed fraction is basically, if first I'll write a number that will show you that it is a mixed fraction. So if I write a number that is 5 whole 1 divided by 2, this is a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is basically a combination of a whole number, this is a whole number, and a fractional part, this is a fractional part. So that's why it is called a mixed fraction, because it is the combination of whole number and fractional part. So what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a type of fraction, if I write here like 4 divided by 3. Now this is called an improper fraction because this is a improper fraction. Why it is called an improper fraction? Because its numerator is greater than its denominator. That is 4 is greater than 3, which implies that when you have a numerator that is greater than the denominator, then it will be called as improper fraction. So when you have the improper fraction, you have to convert into the proper fraction to get a form in which you have the numerator less than the denominator. So this is how both of these are defined. Now let's see how you can convert a mixed fraction into the improper fraction and the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So we have an example for converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So if the mixed fraction is 2 whole 1 divided by 8, how you can convert? So you can also write it as 2 plus 1 divided by 8. Then we can break this 2 into 1 plus 1 by 8. What I have done is I have broken this 2 into 2 ones. Then what we can do further is we have to convert these whole numbers into the fractions. 1 and 1 are the whole numbers. We have to convert them into the fractions having the denominator that is same as that of this fractional part, that is 8. So how can I do that? I can replace the 1 by 8 divided by 8. So if I write here that this 1 can be written in form of 8 divided by 8, because when we cancel the 8 and 8 we will get the 1 back. So our main purpose is to make the denominator of this number as 8 or make this whole number as a fraction. Then similarly for the next one, 8 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 8. Now it becomes easier for us to find the LCM as all of them have the same denominator. So I can write here as 8 and we'll write their numerators as it is. 8 plus 8 plus 1, it will be equals to 17 divided by 8. So this is an improper fraction. So the mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. So you can say that these are the improper fraction is another way to write the mixed fraction, and mixed fraction is another way to write the improper fraction. Now one thing that must come in your mind, that what if we came across a number, a greater number here, like if I say for example 15, then how we can break it and how we will solve it? Then there is a solution for that as well. The solution is, if I write here another example, mixed fraction as 15 whole 1 by 4. How can I convert this? So I have to do what? I have to first break it into 15 plus 1 by 4. Instead of writing 1 1 1 1 1 15 times, you have to write it as 15 times 1 as 15 into 1 plus 1 by 4. Now you just need to replace this one by a fraction having the same denominator as this fractional part. So what you can do here is you will write 15 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. So it will be solved as 61 divided by 4. So this is an improper fraction. So this is how you can deal with the numbers having the whole number part that is that is large and that for which you can't write the ones separately. So you can do this by this. You can do that by this method. Now let's see how you can convert the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So if I take this example of 17 divided by 8, so the example here is the same, that is 17 divided by 8. This is improper fraction. We have to divide it by keeping 17 inside and 8 outside, as we know that 8 2 are 16, and what we'll get is 1 in the remainder. So how you can write it? You can write it as, you have to write, so the order will be, this will be the whole number part, so you'll write 2 here, then you have to go here, that is the numerator part of the mixed fraction. You'll write 1 here, that is the remainder that you will get, 2 whole 1 divided by, then you have to move here to get the denominator of the mixed fraction, that is 8. So what we'll write here is 2 whole 1 divided by 8. So this is how you can convert the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So if I write, or if I label it, this will be the remainder while division, this will be the divisor, and this will be the quotient. So that's all from today's lecture, that how you can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and vice versa. Thank you.